All right, we're rolling, dude.
Ready, let's do it.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah, ready for this? I like this new setup. This is a cool setup. Yeah.
Hey everybody, I'm Christopher and this is
Daddy!
and we'll go back to Mommaz merch.
Mommaz merch! We're doing Saturday cents on Mommaz merch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a weird call.
Yeah.
We got 2 boxes.
2 boxes.
And we do not know what is inside.
Nope, we don't know again. All right, so our rule is we have no idea what's inside. We just technically we cut them open to make it a little bit quicker.
Well, yeah.
But that's it. We don't know what's inside.
You open one and I open one.
Oh, you want to do both of them at the same time?
Yes.
Ooh, good idea. All right.
Alright, turn
Okay,
around.
we got the big flippies. This is the box we got.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, packing paper! Woo! Packing paper! Ooh! Oh, dude!
What?
Oh, we got scent pack. Do you know what that means?
Scentsy Buddies!
Scentsy Buddies! This
We
is
got the beauty and the beast. You got the beast.
You got the Beast.
The beast.
I got Luna and Amazon Rain.
Amazon Rain. I kind of like Amazon Rain.
Yeah, show them the There's Luna and Amazon Rain, and you got Beauty and the Beast.
The beast.
The Beast.
All right.
You gotta say it like the Beast. The Beast.
We got
Packing paper. Ooh. Oh, dude.
We
Whoa,
got the
dude,
Beast
look at that one.
Scentsy Buddy.
You got the Beast Scentsy Buddy. Look what I got. Oh, Oakley the Owl.
Oakley the owl.
Oh, wow. And I got another one in here. Woo.
And a dinosaur.
Oh, I got Tex the T-Rex.
Tex the T-Rex.
Yeah. Ooh, which one do you want to open first?
These ones because they look like animals because in the past of our Scentsy because they used to do animals instead of like Disney characters.
Oh, yeah. Before they were signed up
Before they
got
decided
licensed
doing
with Disney, they used to do animal characters all the time, and it was a lot like these, right?
Yes. When I'll open the T-Rex, you open the animal.
Well, I want to show them the box, so let's see. We got this right here, Oakley the Owl. And
Yeah. X the T-Rex.
Bring back my buddy. Bring back my buddy. So, this is a bring back my buddy.
We voted. These were the most popular ones.
Did I say these are the most popular ones?
I know. They
And
just.
we got them.
How'd you know that?
It was a weird voice.
Oh,
The weird voice.
so most popular ones. Bring back my buddy. Bring back the buddy, and Oakley the Owl was the winner.
It was the winner?
Here's the top of the box. And the barcode.
Top. Barker. Alright. Let's open these boys.
Oh, here, you want to open this one? Sure. I'll show this one box. There's the Tex the T-Rex. Snuggle up with a soft Scentsy Buddy, a lovable friend full of fragrance. Simply insert the scent pack to bring your buddy to life.
Yeah.
Nice and smelly. Here's the top. And the T-Rex.
Ooh! Oh, yo, this is nice. This is so fluffy.
These fluffy?
Yes, and soft. Look, feel.
Oh.
Feel.
Oh, dude.
Yo, that's
That's
soft.
like that super soft stuff, man.
That's probably softer than our dogs.
It looks so much like a real owl, too.
Yes, it does.
That's
It
pretty
does.
cool. Look at the eye. Ooh. Ooh.
Well, you show 'em.
Ooh. Get it? Ooh. Ooh.
Let me show. Well, you. Okay, you open the text. T-Rex. And then will I.
Ooh, there's the inside of the box. Got
Inside
some nice
box.
pretty designs on
And
there.
it also has a handle on the top.
Hey, I was going to mention that, dude.
The handles.
What is cool about the boxes?
Because, look. So,
Yeah. You want to do it?
I think it. Oh, I think we're supposed to put out the circle.
Yeah.
Pop out the circle.
Up on the circle.
Out
And
the
then
circle.
this
Turns into a handle.
handle, right?
And put it in. Put it back. Put it back.
Put it back together. And you can take your buddy like a
Look
little
at
buddy
that.
box. Yeah, that is so cool.
We never dimensioned these handles.
I know, these handles are like a nice little touch. Those little touches is what makes Sensi makes Sensi pretty darn cool. The little touches like that. They're pretty awesome. That's the T-Rex. Bleh.
Open it!
Oh, we didn't open it. Oh, we gotta open it. Join the box, dude. This is a nice decorated box. Whoa, dude, look at that gator.
Wait, you said a gator?
I know, well, it kind of made me think of one, but it's a dinosaur. He's a great T-Rex, isn't he?
Yes.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
And the owl.
Wait, when the dinosaurs are extinct, does all T-Rex named Tex? Are all T-Rexes named Tex?
Are T-Rexes from Texas?
Huh? I don't know. I think they were all from volcanoes.
They're from volcanoes? T-Rexes?
Whoa. From a long time ago. Or like, no. All dinosaurs when it's extinct, or all of them are like named Tex.
Oh. Tex. All right, so this one, the owl is super soft. Like,
it's very soft.
I
think
don't
it's probably
explain
softer than our blankets.
Yeah, softer than our blankets. Yes, it's definitely softer than our blankets.
I think like for the rates of them, like the owl is the softest, and the T-Rex is like the coolest.
It is pretty cool, huh?
Yes, I like the design. What they did on the black stuff on the head.
The scales.
Scales.
Yeah, it made it look like scales.
Yes.
And it's a different. It's not a fluffy soft.
Yes.
It's a smooth.
It's a smooth.
Yeah.
Soft. It's a smooth.
But you can still feel like a little bit of scales or something. Wow, look at his tail.
Yeah, look at that tail.
Yeah, you got an awesome tail.
Also, it says something right here.
Bring back my buddy. Yeah. Bring back my buddy. Both are bring back my buddies.
Yes.
So if you like soft and fuzzy,
owl,
or cool and smooth.
Comment down below. We rate.
Yeah, which one do you think
Comment
you
down
get?
below.
Yeah, this is pretty cool, huh? Oh, I like it. It's nice.
Now.
Got this bun
It's
down
time.
there. Well, let's sit together. They can be
Yeah.
friends.
It's time.
Oh, wait. Let me just do a quick look.
Yeah.
Get a little closer so people can see.
Yeah. Side, back.
His tail. His butt.
Stop.
Ooh.
Sorry.
It's okay. And his feet.
Wait, I thought all faces should have Senti on it.
Yeah, all the feet have Sensi on it.
So Senti buddies are Senti.
And that's where the pouch goes.
Pouch goes on the back.
Jeez. What is the scent pack?
Scent pack? We got 2 scent packs.
We
got 2 scent packs so you can put them in.
Yeah.
You cannot.
You can't put them in.
Just put them in. No, great.
Why? Oh, you know why? I don't know. It's just something tells me we can't put them in.
It's the weird voice again.
Huh?
You said that we were popular.
Dude, you're hearing voices. You got problems. All right, so then look.
They're so
Oh,
cool.
look at that. Look at the tail on the owl.
The tail.
There's the back. And that's where the pouch goes. In the back.
There.
Bring back my
There.
Sensi buddy. What?
It's now time.
It is now time
For the Beast.
The Beast.
From Beauty and the Beast. Packaging. Have a nice face. And also, it says personally on the side, on the back side. Also has all there.
Oh, you want to do the reading?
No.
Want me to do the reading? There's a little reading right there. That's it.
But
Snuggle up with a soft Sensi buddy, a lovable friend full of fragrance. Simply insert a scent pack to bring your buddy to life.
alright.
Here's the top.
Bottom. Alright. What's up with this?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, look nice pretty designs on the inside. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, he's big.
He's big.
Look how huge he's a beast.
He's a beast.
Yeah, he's a beast.
He's like, yo, compare. So this is T-Rex, and this is the beast. Look at this. Look at them. What? Not out. And he passed out.
Yeah.
Because it was so big.
That's what she said. Also,
There it
look,
is.
he's got the beard,
Got the beard.
the goatee, right?
And you got the back.
You know,
the back
hold up
zipper.
nice and hold it still for a second there, so people can see.
Why don't you put the scent pack in?
We put the scent pack in.
I think we can put the scent pack in this. Something tells me we can put the scent pack in on this.
It's a weird voice
That
again.
means we get to keep this one.
I think it is open.
So there's his front. That's the beast. Oh, he even got claws. Look at the
He's
hand
got claws.
man.
He even got claws.
Yeah. Oh, and his back. He's got a ponytail.
Yo, Dad.
That's pretty cool. And another tail.
Was that on here before? Scissors.
Scissors. Where did that come from? And the Sensi logo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cut it open.
The top of the the ponytail's kind of neat, huh?
Yeah, the ponytail's kind of pretty. Alright. And actually, we didn't talk about this, but today is my papa's birthday.
Grandpapa's birthday, yeah.
Birthday.
Oh, that's good.
Let me smell that. Let me smell that.
That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah. It's kind of fruity. It's kind of
Yeah, it's, but not.
no.
And it's kind of
Like what?
fruity. It's kind of smooth.
Mhm.
But you know what? It's majestic.
Ooh, majestic.
Yeah. Yes. It has that
All right.
royalty smell.
Yeah, the royalty.
You stick your bunny in there.
Good boy. Get that in. All right, zip it up.
Zip it up. And then bling off.
Woo.
Smells good.
Smells very good.
Smells really good. Huh? What we got there?
Boom.
Oh, news just in.
News just in. Oh, it's from the scent.
Oh, it's the scent? You want to read it?
Fresh pink grapefruit and sparkling bergamot.
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 Bergamo.
Bergamot. Bergamot. Kick off the Radiant.
Radiant, yeah.
Radiant's first chapter. Wow. Scattered flower, peels writing, and petals writing, and unfortunately,
Nope. Unforgettably.
romantic ending.
Yay! Ooh, that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. That's actually pretty good.
Very nice. Fresh pink. Yeah, these are good reading, dude.
Yeah.
Hey, that's nice. Oh, yeah, you can smell that grapefruit
Yeah,
in there.
the grapefruit.
But the flower petals mix in so
mix
nice,
in
right?
so nice.
Gives it that majestic,
Hey, Dad,
majestic smell.
Do you
What?
think it's better? Do you think the scent pack is better than Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck?
With Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck?
What do you think
I
is
don't know.
better?
I don't
This
know.
one or Daffy?
Ooh, that's like, geez. You're asking me to choose between Disney and Warner Brothers?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a tough one, man.
What?
That's a tough one.
Yeah.
Because
You like,
That's like,
when he was a little kid, he used to watch like Looney Tunes all the time.
yeah, I used to watch the Looney Tunes all the time.
But every time when there's a new show, you watch it on Disney. All the
Yeah,
time.
I do like Disney now. I watch Disney a lot. What's your favorite character in Disney?
I don't know.
What's your favorite Warner Brothers character?
Well, like, are you talking about any kind of character in
Yeah,
Disney?
sure.
Or like a real character or animated?
Sure, anyone.
Charlie Nora from the Mighty Ducks.
Ah, the Mighty Ducks. Yeah, you've been watching that a lot.
Yes, a
lately.
lot.
Yeah.
When the first one I got watched it, and then I just stopped watching it. But Mom said there was a 2, and then there's a 3.
Ah, yes. Yep.
No, there's
3 Mighty Duck movies.
And actually 4 Mighty Ducks movies, and there was a series of it. Mighty Ducks Game Changer.
Yeah, that was a good show.
Yes.
Yeah, good show.
Speaking of skating,
Yeah, speaking of skating, we have a
Oh.
special surprise.
What? Alright.
All right, wait a minute here. Okay, wait a minute. Let's see. We're gonna make room for this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna make room for these
Yes.
because here we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
What is this?
Dun, 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 dun. Skate the day away.
Whoa, dude! Look how big this thing is. It's huge.
Big.
See this? Sensei buddy? No, bigger.
No,
bigger than the
Bigger
beast.
than like 2 Sensei Buddy boxes.
Whoa, look at that.
That's crazy. This big.
It is huge.
Wow. It's got like hot coffee, mitts, beanies, scarves, skates.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
That is.
This is
crazy.
2021 limited edition
Limited edition.
warmer.
And you better
Whoa.
get it now. Better.
Get it now. Get it now.
Get it now.
Well, it's
I
wow,
think it's
limited
like
edition.
$100 because it's so big and it's.
So big, dude.
Let's just open this, boy.
Whoa, look
Let's
at
just
that.
get right into it. Alright.
All right, we're gonna dig right into it.
Dig right in.
Whoa, look at that.
Look at that.
It looks like a huge present wrapped in wrapping paper.
Wrapped in wrapping paper, but not wrapping paper. Box.
Oh wait, let's see.
Was
We're
what
gonna
the
hear
styrofoam?
all the instructions.
Now
Oh,
we
look
know.
at this.
Ooh,
Oh,
we got
look
a
at
little
that piece.
house. We got a
And we
little.
got this.
This is a.
Oh,
like,
little characters.
little characters. Wait, this is like an ornament.
Can we open it?
Oh yes,
Yes.
it is an ornament. Look at it. There's a little hook.
That is so cool. You get an ornament with the box. Wow, with the warmer, you get your own ornament.
And we got some We got some like skaters because they have ice skates. These 2 little kids and the guys.
You want to take them out of the packages while I show them these? They got the trees. and
There's
the
another
skaters
one.
in the skating
There's
park
another skater.
next to the church.
Oh, here's
Very
the dish.
nice. Look at that. That is so cool.
That is so cool. There's the dish.
See, the little touches like that. That's what makes sense and awesome. Oh, you got the
Oh,
dish
yeah.
too? Can you take them out of that package?
Yeah.
Oh, we get to put it all together.
Yes.
We got the dish. And let's see, we got here.
Yeah, I think this is.
Go ahead.
I think this is like a.
Oh,
like a
this is like the
family.
little boy. Yeah, it's like a little family. This is the little boy.
Yeah.
We got him there.
And this is like the sister. And this is the daughter.
Could be the mother.
Mother. No, these are the. This is the. Yo, they're magnets.
No way.
Look. Okay. See, far away, close,
Oh, they're pushing away, huh?
pushing away.
That's so cool.
That's so cool.
There's the couple, mom and
We
daddy.
have mom and dad, and we got the daughter
Yeah, the little girl, the daughter.
and the boy, and this is the sister. And
I think,
that's-
yeah, the
son.
older sister maybe,
Yeah. Yeah, this is like the older sister.
or the maid. I don't know.
All right. This is so cool.
Oh,
We got the dish.
all right.
All right, let's go.
Okay, so
Take off that styrofoam. boy.
yeah, we'll go get the styrofoam off.
Styrofoam off. Yo, this is a big styrofoam.
Whoa, look how thick that styrofoam is, man.
How the-
Whoa, dude. Whoa.
Whoa.
Yes,
It's
look
got-
at that.
We got an ornament of it, and we got a like mini version of it.
Oh, I gotta pull this out
Yeah.
nice and
This is
carefully.
an ornament.
Oh, wow.
Wow!
Oh, hold it, feel it.
Oh my gosh!
It weighs, it's heavy.
So heavy. That boy heavy.
That is cool.
That is cool.
Whoa, look at this.
Mm.
All right, let's see.
Yo,
here.
taking out that package.
Yep, I am. Oh, yeah. I just want to make sure I don't pull the trees off. Wow, look at that.
Whoa. That
Look at
looks
that.
Amazing.
Oh, look.
It's the same thing
Yeah.
as the ornament.
Oh, it's the miniature version of the ornament.
Yeah.
The ornament is a miniature version of the warmer.
Yes.
Yeah,
What's on the bottom?
that is
On the
cool.
bottom. On the bottom.
Look
Yo,
at that.
yo.
Yo, yo,
Right
yo.
there.
It's got a screw.
It's got a screw.
No, we got a sticker.
A sticker. Sticker. Oh, the sticker.
So, all right, so we got that
Uh-huh.
showing the houses. That's the bakery.
Trees, the bakery.
The back of the church and the
Mhm.
trees. Cincy logo. And then
There's
the
a
bottom.
sticker.
Let's see.
Mhm.
Oh, dude, look. It says, all right, on the bottom,
Yeah.
all right, what it says is skate the day away. This is 2021 limited edition. This is number 7,853 of 20,001. So you better like
You better
already.
get it now.
Yeah, that's
Already.
almost half of
Yeah.
these are gone already.
Yes.
And that's, I mean, by the time you gotta order this stuff up, man.
Yeah.
All
All right,
right.
let's put these together, boy.
Okay, so you put those together.
I'll
We're gonna
put
need, put that right there.
I'll put
I'll
the
take
dish.
this. I'll do the cords.
You do the cords. I'll put the dish and
So you got the dish on the
and
back
so we're gonna
behind the church,
I
right?
need to turn around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'll take out the dish.
It's fine. There you go. Set it up. So you take the dish. Put some people on the ice.
On the ice. Put the people on the ice. There.
Okay. Don't roll back.
Okay.
No, we're gonna go this way. There we go.
Okay, hold up. Now I need to finish putting on the people.
You putting the people on? Oh, you're making it just like the
Magnet. Now it's magnet. Magnetic.
magnetic. Yeah. Got
I'm
the people
doing
on
it
there.
just like the ornament.
Just like the ornament.
Mm-hmm.
There's the ornament. All right. You ready?
Yes.
All right. So let's put this on. Yeah, I'll
Okay,
turn this around
Turn
so
it
people can see it.
around. Oh.
That's
oh,
all right.
that's fine.
Got it.
Okay, got it.
There we go.
All right.
Gotta find the spot where they pick up. There it is.
There you go. Okay.
All
I'm
right.
gonna turn it on.
Okay, you're gonna turn it on?
3.
All right. Ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
They're skating around.
Woo! Oh, there we go.
Come on, skate. Yo.
Whoa, dude!
They're skating.
That's so pretty.
That's so pretty. They're literally skating around.
That is nice.
Yo, it falls like the circle. Those
Yeah.
things, yeah. Yo, that boy going backwards.
The guy's going backwards.
Yeah, the boy going backwards. Yo, that looks sick. What?
Look, they're almost gonna crash. Oh my goodness, it's figure eight. They're gonna crash. Oh no, they're so close. Oh my.
It's like a miniature hockey game.
Yeah. That is cool.
Yeah.
Tilt it up. Yeah, I'll tilt it up just a little bit so people can see. That is cool, dude.
Yes. I think this is their house or something. I don't know. And this is the bakery.
Well, the cross on it. Well, no, that's just the window, but it looks kind of like a church.
Yes.
Yeah.
That looks sick.
That is nice.
Mm.
And look at all the attention, all the little bricks and everything.
Yes.
That is cool.
You get the trees.
Mm-hmm.
And you get the snow.
And it comes with your own
Ornament.
ornament. That is cool.
That is very cool.
Yeah. What a nice touch to give the ornament to. That's nice.
Yes.
So you can put your ornament on the tree and have a
Yeah.
matching warmer. And this warms up the dish on the back. That is pretty. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna grab YouTube. I'm gonna grab the audience and bring them closer.
Okay.
All right.
Yo, this looks
Come on, guys.
Boy. This looks sick.
It is so sick. Nice.
I like how they're skating around, and then I can like. So the only magnet parts is where the little circles that they're doing.
Mm-hmm.
It's like that for the magnet part to it. That looks sick.
That looks sick. Look pretty cool. And then go on this side. Doesn't look like there's no light. There's no lights or anything, which is nice.
No.
And that's the
Ornament.
Yeah, the ornament. All right, dude. I think that's it for today, huh?
Yes.
Isn't that cool? Look at all the attention. That's so good.
It looks so cool.
It is cool.
Remember, guys, these are like half sold out.
Almost half gone already.
So you better get it like ASAP. Like ASAP right now.
ASAP right now,
ASAP.
huh? You got a joke for us?
Why does the word dark ends with a C, not a K? I mean with a K, not a C.
Oh, okay. So, why does the word dark end with a K? What?
Because you can't see in the dark.
Ah! Because you can't see in the dark.
You get it?
Oh, yeah, I get it.
You letter C in the dark. You got a joke for us?
All right. Yeah, and there's the owl, eh?
Yes.
Hold them up for me.
Okay. That was very soft.
It is very soft and fluffy. And then we got the beast. Where's the beast? Oh, over here.
Beast. And the tiger.
Here, hold those up for me, please.
I can't, hold on. I only...
You can let the owl down.
I don't know. Okay.
And the beast. Look how big the beast is. Look how big this warmer is compared to the beast.
Compared to the beast.
And
Yes.
T-Rex.
E-Rex X. E-Rex X.
Awesome.
Yes. And remember,
You
are awesome!
Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah.
Go.
That was pretty good.
Yes.
Nice. I'm glad we
Also,
got this
guys.
warmer, man.
Guys. Wait, did you just end it?
Nope. We're
Guys.
still rolling.
I see, guys. Every video I see, there's no comments of the subscribers. Now I don't know who are subscribers.
Yeah, so
You better comment down below so I know who you guys are.
yes.
Yes.
We apologize for the comments. They weren't working
Yes.
for a while.
Yeah.
But now that's fixed, and we're learning
Now
how to use YouTube.
Now
And
comment down below so I
video.
know what you guys are. So
We can check out.
yes.
Yeah, we can respond, right?
You can respond to you guys.
All right.
Yes.
Cool.
That is cool.
Thanks, everybody.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.
Mm-hmm. See you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
You got a joke, but you haven't told the joke of yours.
Huh?
You haven't told the joke of yours.
Oh, my joke?
Yeah.
What's my joke? Oh, what do you call a crocodile learning how to be a cop?
A crocodile.
Nope, an investigator.
So,
Investigator.
I thought it was like crocodile.
Crocodile.
That's so good. That's a pretty good answer.
Yeah, that's a pretty good answer. All right, who's gonna turn it off first? No.
What's this?
Wait!
Wait.
Aren't you awesome?
Oh wait, yeah. Why?
We did it.
You did. Yes. What do you mean? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
No. No. No.